Hello sir, hello ma'am. I'm Gavali Rakesh Bendre. Today's our Viva topic is full stack development. So let us discuss about what is the full stack development. So we know that in the our current in our currently work- currently generation there are the many web application and many softwares are uh, many release. So different types of the software and different types of the web application is released, but this software is not dependent for the each other. It is a independent. It is created by the independent to the software developers using the different technologies. So one of the software profile is full stack development. The full stack development is the very popular organization in the IT field. So in the full stack development there are the two parts are divided is front end as well as back end. In the front end we are use the HTML, that is hypertext markup language, then CSS, that is cascading style sheet, then third one is a JavaScript. JavaScript is also known as a TypeScript or CopyScript. So it is a technologies to used to the used to design the front end. In the front end we are created web page in attractive format, that is interactive format, using the different CSS properties. So CSS page are linked to the HTML page, and we are created the attractive web page. So CSS are used to mainly used in the CSS are mainly used in design the page in the proper manner. Then second is the HTML. Using the HTML we are created the structure format our web application, that is heading, title, body, background, and so on. Then third is the JavaScript. In the JavaScript we are write business logic, that is write code in the DOM format, that is document object manipulation. Then backend, it's all about the front end. Then also the in the full stack development we are use the backend. In the backend we are use the Spring, JPA, Java, Spring, PHP, Python, C Sharp, and so on. It is the backend technologies. Then backend we are connected to the database like that MongoDB, MySQL, SQL, PLSQL, and so on. It is a backend to the connected to the database. In the database we are write a important code to the web application. That is, if we created the any web application, if we created any application, that time we are store the whole data in the database. So this data is very securely so this data is very secure because we are storing the database. So database is very secure and remove the redundancy. Then in the Java there are we are created the different layers like a servlet like that. The flow of the our connections is, if we user is sent to the any request, that means client is suppose client is click on any button, then front end is sent to the request to the, that is client is sent to the request to the backend. Then backend is check the the this request check the request is acceptable in the controller class, and controller is perform the different execute the different API, and then check the in the database the given data, and our database is data is same. That time is then its request is executed, and we give then client is give the respond to the request. So it is all about the connection between the database to the client. So thank you, sir. Thank you, ma'am.